right here, I decided to plant a potato. I had a lot of hay, so I had seen this on Pinterest and I wanted to give it a go. So what I did was I covered the bottom of this little hamper with some dirt, and then I put some potatoes on it, and then there is pretty good aeration here. I might have to fill it in just a bit more, but other than that, it's not too bad. And then I covered it up lightly with some dirt, my garden soil specifically, and then I put worm castings on top. So right there is my fingerling, and then, I'm sorry, my 4 o'clock. I'm pretty sure that is, but we'll see. My sage is doing. It is, let's see, what's today's date? July the 9th. And look at this, how that filled right in. Pretty amazing. This was that big potato. Probably should have just cut it into quarters and then put it in, but hey, you know, you never know. Or I didn't plant it deep enough. So there's always that. Sage is doing pretty well, aside from the little critters biting it, but yeah, it's mainly for the potatoes anyway. Yeah, pretty cool. These ones, I think I'm gonna have to put some fertilizer down, because these were planted ahead of time, ahead of those, but these are turning a little bit yellowy. So I'm not doing as well as I had hoped. I think perhaps having too much straw is taking away the nitrogen. So I might have to put just a little bit of organic fertilizer or a little bit of manure.